Imagine a single appliance that can replace the equipment you have in your kitchen, making your cooking much simpler. From chopping your vegetables any size you like to grinding into thin powder. The turbo motor crushes ice and makes drinks and smoothies, like the best hotels in the Caribbean. Soups were never easier and faster. Cook and grind all in one jar, so they're ready before you can say crouton. Enjoy a great risotto without stirring it for 20 minutes. The reverse speed does it for you, so just set the time and temperature and relax. Make your chicken dishes bold, steamed, curry or Thai style. The precise temperature will make the perfect taste to rise. Use the basket and varoma. From starters to main dishes, cook using 4 levels at the same time. Mix and grind your favorite seeds to make a dough for your pizza or any kind of bread, brioche and pasta. With the inbuilt scale, weigh every ingredient directly into the bowl. Your kids will love the Thermomix just as much as you do. An intelligent machine that works independently, so you can spend more time with them while making their favorite desserts and ice creams. Use the butterfly to emulsify your own salad dressings at the right temperature. Thermomix. Cooking has never been so easy.